trusting me as your instructor for this course. And before anything, I'd like to tell you that if you've been lost for a long time seeking knowledge about how to create the perfect affiliate website, well, I would like to tell you before you start that there is no such thing as a perfect affiliate website. There is only affiliate websites, and profit, is relative from one website to another, depending on what products you sell, depending on your strategy. So it all depends upon you. So you can open a website that sells figurines. You can open a website that sells whatever products, man. There's a multitude of products that you can sell, and so by choosing your product, you directly choose your commission. So put that in mind, and also it's preferable that you choose a niche which you have passion for, because that will eliminate most of the hard guessing, and it will make your time much more pleasurable, because let me tell you, you need that as an affiliate marketer. You need to have a lot of patience and dedication, and you need to be able to wait for a while before you see any money coming your way. I'm talking 1 year to 2 years for you to build and the pillars of your website, but it's all worth it after you start making some money. It's all worth it. That's why it's very important that you pick something you have passion for. So let's explain a very some two very distinct notions that most of you already know, which are profit and revenue. The reason why these two notions are important to us marketers is because companies, for example, let's take this product. I like it. This one is the greenish one, Star Wars: The Mandalorian Grogu plush. So this product, for instance, is $19, or let's say $20. So $20, okay? $20 is the sale product. This is the product that you buy on sale. Okay, that product, of course, there is costs. There's costs related to this product. Let's say that these costs are $10. Okay, so these $10 are the cost that the company spends on this product, the product creation and everything. And you know, within that cost, there is the marketing cost. Okay, so these companies, when they create products, they have they have a certain budget spreadsheet. They have allowances, and so definitely they allow a certain amount of money to be spent only on marketing alone. So let's say $10 and $2 are allowed for marketing. So that's where you come in as an affiliate marketer. Your aim is to try and take something and eat away something of that $2 allowance that these companies make for this certain product. If we take this product as an example, so we help companies basically get more sales by creating content around a certain product, by driving people from our websites, which in case your website, to Amazon. For instance, here we've started with Amazon. You drive traffic to Amazon once the person commits a sale, or call it an action. Um, these companies get more sales. So, for instance, if you have 1,500 people that visit your site, if you direct a percentage of that traffic to Amazon, let's say 100 people convert and go to Amazon from your site. Uh, let's say that the conversion rate here is 3%. So 100 multiplied by 3% multiplied by the commission that you'll get. So that's a brief idea of what this is. See you in the next video. Because the most important thing that you need to have as an affiliate marketer is a website, which is why most of you are here. I'm guessing that you're here to learn how to create a website, which is definitely, like I said, a necessity in your case, especially if you want to be an affiliate marketer. If you want to generate real consistent revenue, you have to have your own .com company. Amazon is a .com company. Obviously, it's an e-commerce store, but it's nonetheless a .com company. So you can do the same by creating your .com company. Only this time you will be promoting other people's products for a commission, okay? But you have to have a website, and it's great that you're on this course because that's the place where we create a website. We will learn how to create a website. So in our case, we will create a website using WordPress. Okay, so WordPress is basically a CMS. It's a content management system. It's basically um, it's created for people that have no knowledge in coding. For instance, it was created with, for that purpose. So because before CMSs existed, um, websites were created using HTML and CSS. So WordPress obviously made a revolution by allowing people who have no coding skills to create websites. Okay, there are multiple other CMSs out there that you can use, and to create your own website, like Wix, for example. So Wix is a commonly known one. But here we would rely on WordPress since I need to break it down to you that more than 40% of the websites on the net actually are created, using WordPress. So WordPress is trustworthy. You can rely on it, and it's actually perfect for anybody trying to um, optimize their time. I mean, you can go the hard route and learn how to program, how to code, but then I mean, where's there's something called the specialty, so you can't do everything. So you can't learn how to code and then be a marketer and be a salesman. And so you have to delegate. So sites like WordPress allow you to delegate. And besides, you don't really need to pay much. We'll get to this to the cost structure of the things that you should pay, to create your website. We'll get to that later on. But website is WordPress, I'm sorry, is exactly like delegating something, delegating a skill. So in this case, our this skill is we do not know how to code, so let's delegate this task to WordPress, and we can create a website without coding. That's perfect. We can focus more on content creation, on getting email addresses, on getting people to click on links and to make more sales and commissions. So um, actually, here, okay, so let's go to Amazon, Amazon Associates. So let's take the example of Amazon Associates program. So here, go to this web address, affiliate program, Amazon.com. So here you can actually see it's pretty easy. It's basic. So click sign up, and then what you need to do is obviously just some steps before you create your own Amazon Associates account. It's basically, like I said, the necessity to own a domain. So you have to have a website, and it's important that you read the conditions of use and the privacy of notice before signing in. You don't want to miss out on anything because just one mistake and you can lose your Amazon Associates account. And after that, it would be very hard for you to get accepted again by Amazon as an associate. So make sure you read all their policies and things that you should not do. Well, the greatest thing about Amazon is that you're not limited to a certain product. Okay, so you can pick, depending on your niche, you can pick whatever product you want, man. So you're not limited to any product. Like I said in the previous video, pick your passion. The thing that you're most passionate about is the thing that you'll most likely dedicate more time and effort to, and that's what you should be doing. So if you like movies about Percy Jackson, for example, here you can build a whole website around these fantasy uh, movies, and start selling these products. Why not? I mean, if you have a passion for Tide, you can sell Tide as well. So pick up what you think you will have more patience and resilience to do for a very long time, because that's basically key. Okay. Uh, but that doesn't go to sell. That doesn't go to say that you should sell all products. Okay. So one thing that I need to emphasize on is that the more specialized your website is, the better the customer, the better the overall customer experience is. So customers like to go to specialized websites that are dedicated to a certain topic or niche or subject, or whatever you'd like to put it as. And at the same time, it's the at the core of Google's algorithm. And believe me, Google prefers uh, dedicated and specialized websites that can deliver consistent content and that provide the best customer experience, because their goal is obviously to keep people coming back. So watch the next video, guys, to learn more. Okay, so in the previous videos, we've talked about Amazon Associates and how you can go about creating your own Amazon Associates account, and how it's important to have a website, because that's basically a requirement. In this video, we're going to talk about the multiple affiliate platforms that you can join and become an affiliate starting from today. So here is a Google search that I've just made. So here you can see this is a list of affiliate. So this blog is about the 10 best affiliate whatnot programs and networks compared in 2022. It's very, it's great. You can check this. You can check this blog. This is coming from bloggingwizard.com. It's a great blog. You can trust the content in there. It's also very good because it's almost like a review, a product review. So it has the comparison, it compares each and every platform and network, and you can read it and then decide which one you choose. So here, for example, you got ShareASale, Awin, Amazon Associates, CJ. So this guy is classifying them in a particular order from best to lowest in ranking. But that's depending on you. It depends on what you want. So to me, there is no such a thing as best or not. I know people that have been, on Amazon Associates and have made a ton of money, and I know of people that decided to go for example, ShareASale, and didn't make as much money as they made on Amazon Associates. So, like I said, it all depends on you, on your strategy, and how you monetize your website. So here is the this list, so you can check it out by just making a simple research on Google, and then decide. To me, I've first started as an affiliate with the ShareASale platform. I have found it to be particularly easy, the same way as Amazon Associates. One very interesting part about ShareASale is once you enroll as an affiliate, they have a newsletter, okay, that they send you, I guess, once every 2 days or something like that. And they send you email tutorials on how to use the platform to generate sales. So basically, they explain everything to you down the road. They also have a YouTube channel that you can check. The same with Amazon, CJ. These guys clickbait. Videos are on the net. On the net, they explain to you everything you need to know about these platforms. So be at perfect ease. It's completely easy to learn how these websites work. Content is wide on the net, so just pick one. It's important that you pick one and enroll in the program. Get accepted first, because, for example, for ShareASale, it's not like Amazon Associates. Amazon Associates is pretty easy. The only thing that you need to do is to create an account, and then you're accepted right away. With ShareASale or ClickBank or some other platforms, you need to wait like a day or two to get approved. This happened to me with ShareASale. I waited for 2 days to get approved, and when they approved me, it was fine. So okay. So uh, as previously disclosed, you need a website, URL domain that you own, And of course, after a while, when you build traffic, that traffic you direct it to your clients, and you get commissions in return. So here it's very interesting thing. This ad is very interesting. Before going to the next video, I'd like to just just to give you some ideas. So here they're saying earn up to $140 for 1,000 subscribers. This is great. Uh, you earn $140 for each 100 subscribers that you get. So you can do this by a simple thing as creating a pop-up on your website, and then capturing people's emails by sharing with them an ebook, for example, about how to cook an omelet or something like that. It's clickbait, obviously. So you create a clickbait dedicated for that population, for those subscribers, depending on what they like. And then when you get those 1,000 subscribers, what you do is you come to this site. Of course, you need to be an affiliate. So you enroll. You can enroll here. You can enroll directly on the site, I guess. So let's see. Uh, let's see down. So here is where they should have their okay. Time to earn. Okay, I'm in. So here you click after you click I'm in, you can sign up as an affiliate directly from this platform. You sign up and then of course you wait to get approved. Once you get approved, if you send 1,000 people to their website, not 1,000, if you get 1,000 emails, you share it with them. I don't know what format, maybe Excel or so of course, you need to read their policy about how to deliver your work. So once you deliver your work, which is in this case 1,000 subscribers, you get 140 emails. And besides, this is I've done this. This is not really very complicated. All you need to do is to get on a bunch of forums, add some value, create some posts, and capture some emails. Ask people. The way you do it is you create content, you answer people's questions, you create open conversations one-on-one with them, and then you ask them to, hey, why not? I mean, I have this website, I have this book that I would like to share with you. All you need to do is to enter your email, and then you get the book. So you get the idea. You can build a website around any niche. So let's see you guys in the next video.